All right. Just mentioned some other helpful technical resources. Well, obviously, if you have a techie friend, that can help you out there. If you want some general IT info, I mentioned my website, digitalbeyond.com. You can check that out. There's lots of other websites that you get some information from. As far as IT support, a lot of times if I'm having an issue with a computer, software is not working right, definitely do a search on the web so you can look at different forums that are out there. A lot of them are free. You can go on different social groups. Facebook has different groups there, so you can reach out to specific people there, maybe their friends. YouTube, hey, it's a great way. You search for a specific video and someone's showing you how to do that. I've learned a lot of stuff through there, how to do videos, and a lot of times even just from someone that's maybe a 5-year-old, 8-year-old, but still they know their stuff. So that's always useful there. As far as search goes, I do. I don't use the typical search. I like to keep my privacy. If you've ever noticed that, you go to a certain website and then you go somewhere else, maybe on your phone, somewhere else. Oh, wait, I was searching for this. Now they're showing me an ad. What's going on here? Well, all that information gets connected. They try to save information about you. Um, so there's different web browsers that help you kind of remain where you're private. It doesn't share your information. So I use the Firefox web browser. As far as search engine goes, there's many out there, but DuckDuckGo is a great one that I use. All right, and obviously, as far as different services that are out there for families, for example, Microsoft has a nice family account area where you can set up your kids for their accounts. You can control how much screen time that each of them have. So that's a very useful one there. Google has some as well, and obviously Apple. So they have some certain level of control there as well. So you can check those out at their website. Adobe, I mentioned, they're at adobe.com if you want to download that.